What's up everyone, I'm James Bainey and we're back with another winner announcement, of course. But first, let's take a look at some of the latest products right here at Parts Express. Now stick around, because some of this stuff is a little out of the ordinary, but potentially very useful. Talent now has two powerful and affordable megaphones that can amplify your voice above and beyond what anyone can do on their own. And trust us, these megaphones are very powerful. Both have removable microphones, both are battery powered, and both can reach distances of over 1,000 yards or more. The LMP40 lets you record messages and play them back, while the LMP50 lets you play back anything from a USB drive or an SD card. You just gotta pick which one is right for you. Get the right cables for exactly what you need. Audtek has new 4K HDMI 2.0 cables for just about every situation, including long run, slim, hidden, and even 8K HD. This includes the premium Ultra HD HDMI 2.1 cables, which deliver the next technology with true 120 Hz at 4K UHD and even 60 Hz at 8K 48 gigabits per second performance. Take a look, and we're sure that you'll find exactly what you're looking for. Do you often find yourself with power strips and multiple extension cords? No need. Get a Stage Boss multi-outlet extension cable and utilize a power source every 5 feet. Perfect for bands and stage shows, you can connect all your equipment while being neat and tidy with only one cable connecting everything. Check out more on the Talent Stage Boss multi-outlet extension cables and everything else mentioned in this video in the description or on partsexpress.com. Okay, let's get to the winner of the $500 shopping spree from Dayton Audio. That's right, a $500 credit to spend on gear provided from our friends over at Dayton Audio. Now the winner is Brent Slaughterbeck from Newark, Ohio. Brent, congratulations. We're gonna be in contact soon. Now, I gotta wonder, what is Brent gonna use that $500 credit on? Maybe something he could post in our customer project gallery? All right, now, if you didn't win, this month's giveaway is already here. And it's perfect for work from home or distance learning, anything like that. Enter now for a chance to win a pair of Audio-Technica professional studio monitor headphones with Bluetooth, which are nearly $200 in value. Good luck, and I'll see you next month to announce the winner.